Hey everyone, and welcome. This is Martin Ross, and today I'm teaching you how to play Zapp and Rogers. So rough, so tough. Now before I get into, y'all know the script. To help my channel grow, please check out the links in the description. Also, please leave a like, comment, let me know what you think. Let's get that engagement up so the video hits the algorithm. Also subscribe, click that bell. Most important, please share, because I know there's somebody out here that wants to learn this, and this is going to help them out, I hope. So, without further ado, let's talk about it. Now, Zapp and Roger was a really tough song for me to learn. I've played it in so many keys, so my best interpolation of this song, C# major. And I am actually, instead of making it C# major, I'm going with C# pentatonic. Now, the reason why it's easier to teach, and you'll get an understanding of how to do it. Pentatonic means 5, so there's only 5 notes. The only 5 notes you need to worry about is these. And sometimes that's C. And that is C, C#, D#, F#, G#, A#. So I hope this helps. So let's go on to the introduction. It's really simple. D#, F#, G#. On the G#, I'm going to pitch up. And as I come down, I'm going to double pitch on the G# to the F# and D#. And I'll show you how that's done.
Now wait a minute, yo.
Now, all I'm doing is pitching on the G, and I'm coming down, and you would do. So give that a try.
Now wait a minute, yo.
At the end I did a vibrato, aka modulated on D#. All right, so now as I continue, it's just C# and D#.
Yo. Yo.
Right? And that's pretty much it. I always rush that one, so just be aware you're gonna wait and then do it. So the final part on the intro is pretty tough. I did the best that I can with my ear. Essentially, I'm just going to use the scale as an arpeggio, and it's gonna go like this. Now, there's plenty of ways to do it, but if you have a better way, go ahead and do it that way. Everybody's favorite part, the hook. The hook is just 3 notes. It's F#, G#, A#.
So rough, so tough, out here, baby. So rough, so tough, out here, baby.
So for the verse is again 3 notes, and the notes are going to be A#, C#. Now this D# is up to you. The D# is going to kind of be a smooth roll into the C#. It's going to go like this.
Now let me tell you, people. Now let me tell you now.
Now if you want to do it with the F# and the C#, it's.
Now let me tell you, people. Now let me tell you now.
Go with that D#, that smooth rolling. It sounds way better, and people will think you know what you're doing. So before we finish the last parts, I gotta throw the script at you. Help my channel grow. Check out those links in the description. Also, please, you've gotten this far, subscribe and click the bell. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Like, and please share this video. Help my channel grow. Moving on. So for the You Make Me Wanna Scream, the notes are gonna be a D#, F#, and a G#. And on the G#, I'm going to pitch it up to give that scream feeling.
You made me wanna scream. You made me wanna scream. You made me wanna scream. You made me wanna scream.
Again, I'm just walking the F# and the G. Now, for that C note, remember that C note I was talking about? That's going to be our scream. We're going to pitch, and as we hit the zenith of the pitch, the top part of the pitch will vibrate with the vibrato, aka the modulation. And there you have it, Zapp and Rogers, so rough, so tough. Hopefully this video comes to you and helps you out and you get to learn the song as you're playing it. And this is the last time I remember playing it, so keep to the keys, C, C#, D#, F#, G#, and A#. Also, you gotten this far, check out those links in the description. Help me out. help me make more videos for you. Subscribe, click the bell, leave a like, leave a comment. Also share the video. So this is Martin Ross teaching you how to play Zapp and Rogers. So rough, so tough. Y'all take care.